I hang out with a lot of different people, a lot of different personalities, and a lot of different ages. And there's only one thing that I could say is consistent with everyone. The thing I've learned from hanging out with a lot of different people is that everyone is an expert in themselves. Now, I'm not saying they are experts in anything whatsoever, and they could be totally wrong about subject matter and what they've learned, all that stuff. They could be completely incorrect. However, the point is that everyone has something special and admirable to look into about that person, and they know themselves more than anyone else. And to listen to them and to hear what they have to say when you dig in and try to find out what makes them tick, what they're interested in, how they got there. These things, you find these little jewels of information that you can take on, and these are actual facts that you can apply to things because you're doing your own research. You're not having to have them teach you stuff. You are researching the actual source information, which is this person. So if somebody had a trait that you really found admirable, say they could draw really well, and you were like, oh, how did you get into drawing? They teach you about like their inspiration, what interests them, and then you ask them like more about how often they practice or something like that, and then you start seeing the lifestyle that this person took to get to this point, and this is like its own little world of information. And then you keep doing this over and over. You start finding correlations of success and all these other things, but I wanted to point this out because the next time you're talking to somebody, look for something you admire in them and ask them about it. First of all, they'll probably be really excited to talk about it because it's going to be something that they probably are proud of if they're good at it or have this good quality most of the time. And you'll really gain some information that you can probably apply to your own life. That's it. Until next time, over.